Hey y'all. Y'all, we're gonna make a fun Christmas wreath tonight using Christmas and spring stuff. Y'all, this is a wreath frame. It's already got the little tinsel ties on it. All right. We're gonna take it. We're just gonna throw it on the floor. Fold it over. All right, before you pinch, curl the edge one time on both sides. And then scrunch it up. Y'all, whenever you curl those edges, it makes it naturally want to curl up, which gives you that better poof. And that's what you want. We're just gonna do some 10-inch poofs around the top here. Get it in there nice and tight. All right, we're gonna measure this out to about 10 inches. And just add it all the way around that top ring. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and cut this off right here. Now we're gonna take our 10-inch mesh, after we brush all this glitter out of the way. We're gonna layer these two together. So we're gonna take our 2 layers of mesh. We're gonna need 5 of each color because there's 10 twist ties around the bottom. So we're gonna cut 5 at 30 inches. So we're gonna take this and we're just gonna pull out that bottom roll of twist ties. We are going to curl up each end just a little bit. Then we're just going to ruffle right down the center. All right. Y'all, the point of that is to hide those cut edges that like to fray. And we're gonna add these all the way around the bottom. Y'all, and for my mesh, all I did was use all the different colors in the snowman's head. So we've got the whites, the blacks, the blues. All right, y'all, now we've got the 20-inch ruffle. We're gonna take it. We're gonna roll it up just a little bit. Give it a good ruffle. And we're gonna add these right around the top. Curl those up. Get a little ruffle. And keep going. There's our base. Y'all, I want to make this a little bit more oval though, because this guy is kind of long. So just a little bit on the longer side. We are going to take our wreath frame and we're just going to crunch it up together a little bit and make this circle into an oval. Now, I don't want to overdo it. I just want it to be a little bit longer. You can see from the back side, it's just a little bit more egg-shaped now. I am gonna get my pick machine. All right, so to attach him to my wreath, I'm just gonna get 2 pipe cleaners. I'm gonna fold it in half. All right, so that just put a little metal pick on here. If you don't have a pick machine, you can just use floral pins. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue to this spike. And I'm gonna put it into his hat at an angle. On both ends. All right. So that's in there. Y'all, now all I'm gonna do is run those pipe cleaners right down the center so I can get him attached. Make sure he's somewhat in the center. He's attached, he's secure, he's not going anywhere. All we did was run those pipe cleaners through the mesh, through the frame, and tie it on the back. All right, let's figure out what we're gonna do about our bow. So we're gonna take this out to about 12 inches. We're gonna give it a good pinch, a good twist, and just slide that right down the middle. All right, we're gonna measure out about 7 inches. On both sides. And then this one's gonna be about 8. I'm gonna go with this 1.5 inch first. Let's do our next little green one here. All right, let's get this one layered in there. All right, last one is just gonna be our little center loop. Get our pipe cleaner on here. This is a 20-inch pipe cleaner. Slide that up. Get our pipe cleaner around it. Y'all, this is the point where you want to push down with your thumb as tight as you can. Squeeze right there. And then twist this off. Y'all, there's our bow. Y'all, I'm gonna put this bow right here along his cheek. So I'm just wrapping that pipe cleaner right around the frame. All right, I'm gonna pull my bow so that it fills in that gap right there. Y'all, now I'm just gonna add some ribbon tails in other places. Y'all, I'm just gonna take about I don't know, I'm gonna go with about an 18-inch tail. Give it a little pinch. From there, I'm gonna bring it over about 14 inches and roll it backwards. Much more shorter on the other side. So it's gonna look like that. Add that one right over here. Y'all, now all I wanna do is get some ribbon tails for the bottom done. And I'm gonna cut 5 at 13 inches. So y'all, this is a ribbon tail board. It's already cut at 13 inches on the short side. And it just makes it super simple. All right, so we're just gonna make our way all the way around the bottom. We're gonna take them, we're gonna fold them in half. And then we're gonna add these to the twist ties all the way around the frame. Same ones that we put that mesh in. I wanted to add a little bit of greenery in here just to kind of even it out. So I've got all kinds of different greens. So some of the ones on here I'll be able to get with my regular wire cutters. Some I may need the stem cutter. All right, last one with regular wire cutters. So now I'm gonna work this greenery right into the wreath. Add some hot glue. So all I'm trying to do is balance it out a little bit, get some lift in different places. Y'all, whenever you're gluing sprays and stuff like that, make sure you wiggle them in just a little bit. That way you know for sure that glue is gonna take. So I'm kind of playing off the whole angle here. So I want this to be like this. I want this to be a little bit flat, this to be a little bit flat, and I want this to build up over here. Now, what I haven't decided yet though is if we're gonna break into some spring floral. Y'all, I was missing enough like pink accent stuff. I think I'm gonna use it. Yep, 60919 to the rescue. So I'm gonna mix this one right into where that snowy spray is. And look, whenever you're looking at it, because of how, okay, if it was just tight like that, you can really tell that it's a spring flower. But whenever you look at it mixed in with the icy leaves, it matches your pinks that are already in the project. Let me show you his wild little style here. Hopefully I don't put my finger in any hot glue.